Hello children, in this session we may do exercise 3.2 which is based on exterior angles of a polygon. Some of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon. Children, for any polygon, whether it is triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, whatever may be, the total measure of all the exterior angles of the polygon is 360 degree. So let us consider a triangle. In the figure we have a triangle and now the exterior angles are x, y and z. So according to the theory, when we add x plus y plus z, we should get 360 degree. Let us see from this figure. Here x is equal to 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 degree because this exterior angle x and this interior angle, they make a linear pair. So x is 180 minus 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. Now next angle z we can get by 180 minus 30 degree is equal to 150 degree. And for getting y, first we have to find the interior angle. For this we have to first add 90 plus 30 and it is 120. Then we have to subtract from 180. 180 minus 120, it is equal to 60 degree. And now we will subtract the 60 degree from 180. So we will get y. 180 minus 60 is 120 degree. So we have got x is equal to 90 degree and y is equal to 120 degree and z is equal to 150 degree. So adding this 90 plus 120 degree plus 150 degree we get 360 degree. So we have proved the theory. The sum of measures of all the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Exercise 3.2. Find x in the following figure. Children, here we have the figure of a triangle. In this triangle we have three exterior angles. Two are given as 125 degree and 125 degree. So third one we can find out by subtracting from 360 degree. The steps are the sum of exterior angles of a triangle is equal to 360 degree. 125 degree plus 125 degree plus x degree is equal to 360 degree. And adding we get 250 degree. 250 degree plus x degree is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 360 degree minus 250 degree is equal to 110 degree. Now, the second figure is the figure of a pentagon. And here we have 5 exterior angles. From these 5 exterior angles, we have given the measurement of 60 degree and 70 degree. Here the marking of 90 degree is given. And fourth exterior angle we can find by the given interior angle. Either interior angle is here 90 degree. So the exterior angle is again we are getting as 90 degree. Now 180 minus 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. So we can find out x. Now the steps are the sum of exterior angles of a pentagon or any polygon is equal to 360 degree. And from the figure 60 degree plus 90 degree plus 70 degree plus x degree plus 90 degree is equal to 360 degree. And 60 plus 90 plus 70 plus 90 adding time we get 310 degree. 310 degree plus x degree is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, x degree is equal to 360 degree minus 310 degree. It is equal to 50 degree. Okay, children? Question number 2. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of first one. It is having 9 sides. So, for finding this answer, we should know the formula. The measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to total measure of all exterior angles divided by number of sides. By heart this formula, children. Now, as per the formula, total measure of all exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. And here we have got the sides number 9. So, 360 degree divided by 9 is equal to 40 degree. So, the measure of each exterior angle of this polygon is equal to 40 degree. Second figure, polygon we have of 15 sides. So, the formula we use the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to total measure of all exterior angles divided by number of sides. And you know, total measure of all exterior angles of a polygon, regular polygon is 360 degree. That divided by, we have got the sides 15. So divided by 15, dividing time we get 24 degree. So the answer is 24 degree. Question number 3. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? Children, here we have to use the formula. Number of sides of the regular polygon is equal to total measure of all the exterior angles of the polygon divided by measure of one exterior angle. And you know, total measure of all exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree divided by in the question given measure of each angle is 24 degree. So we have to divide 360 degree divided by 24 degree. So we get 15 as the answer. So a regular polygon, if it has exterior angle 24 degree, then number of sides of the polygon is 15. Okay. Question number 4. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? So if interior angle is given, we have to find the exterior angle, then we have to use the formula for number of sides. Steps are: measure of one interior angle is equal to 165 degree. So measure of its exterior angle is equal to 180 degree minus 165 degree is equal to 15 degree. Children, here we use this step because exterior angle and interior angle make a linear pair. So if we have got interior angle, for finding the exterior angle we have to subtract the given interior angle from 180 degree. Okay, so we got here exterior angle as 15 degree. Now, number of sides is equal to total measure of all exterior angles of the polygon divided by measure of one exterior angle. That is 360 degree divided by 15 degree is equal to 24. So, number of sides of the regular polygon is 24. Question number 5. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? Children, here it is not possible because 22 degree, if we have the measure of exterior angle, we cannot divide 360 degree by 22 degree. So it is not possible to have a polygon with exterior angle 22 degree. Question number B. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? Can 22 degree be the interior angle of a polygon? So we cannot have a polygon with interior angle 22 degree because if we have interior angle 22 degree, so its corresponding exterior angle will be 180 degree minus 22 degree is equal to 158 degree, and we cannot divide 360 degree by 158 degree. So 22 degree we cannot think for as interior angle of a regular polygon. Question number 6. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Why? The regular polygon with the 3 sides is the equilateral triangle. So the measure of each interior angle, 180 divided by 3 is equal to 60 degree. So 60 degree is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon. Question number B. What is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? Children, the maximum interior angle we get is for the minimum interior angle. The minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon is 60 degree. This we have seen in the question number 6a. Therefore, the maximum interior angle possible for a regular polygon is equal to 180 minus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. Okay, children?